It's summer. It's summer at last. It's officially summer. I'm super excited. And I'm also super excited because I have a giveaway for you today to celebrate summer. What is different about summer than the other months? For most of us. Not all of us, but most of us. We start showing our feet. We start wearing sandals and flip-flops and exposing our dry, cracked heels to the world. And if you're like me, I think you are, you kind of want your feet to look their best. You don't want to have your feet look creepy. A few months ago, Brevena sent me some of their intensive foot and heel repair cream, and it is amazing. It is so concentrated. You just need the tiniest amount, and it just makes your skin feel baby soft. It is fragrance free, it is dye free, it is steroid free. It's just good moisture for your feet. And Brevena is giving away to 5 lucky winners. That's right, 5 lucky people are going to win a tube of Brevena Intensive Foot and Heel Repair. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. This is a $49 value. Yeah, I know, you're thinking, that little thing for $49? It's super concentrated, super emollient. I love it. I will drop the information down in the description box for you so that you can enter to win. I will also put it right there for you. But go to brevena.com and enter to win. It's formulated with rich emollients and their proprietary Macro B complex. It's ultra concentrated and it works quickly to improve the look and feel of dry feet and cracked heels. Helps protect your feet and lock in moisture. So even when you're having a bad hair day because of all the humidity, your feet are still gonna look good. Thanks for watching. I love you bunches, and I will talk to you very soon. Happy summer.